Hello everyone. Today I will tell you the story named Brown Bear, What Do You See? Written by Bill Martin J. Eric Carr. Now let's jump to the story with me. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a blackbird looking at me. Blackbird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? The end. Bye everyone, and subscribe my channel.